Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into the essentials of literature review and academic writing. If you want to develop your research skills, let's get started. First, let's discuss the purpose and structure of a literature review. A literature review is a critical assessment of existing research on a particular topic. Its purpose is to provide a comprehensive background, identify gaps, and establish the significance of your research. It usually starts with an introduction that sets the context, followed by a discussion of sources categorized by themes or methodologies, and ends with a conclusion that summarizes the main findings and how they relate to your research. For example, if you're writing a literature review on the impact of social media on mental health, you might organize it by different age groups or by specific types of mental health outcomes, like anxiety or depression. Next, let's talk about synthesizing research, not summarizing. Synthesizing involves combining information from multiple sources to create a new understanding or insight. It's about connecting the dots rather than just listing what each source says. For instance, if two studies show different effects of social media on teenagers, your synthesis should explain why they differ and what it means for your research. This analytical approach can reveal patterns, conflicts, or gaps in the literature, setting the stage for your own contribution to the field. Now, let's move on to academic writing standards. Academic writing is formal, clear, and concise. It requires a logical structure, appropriate referencing, and a tone that remains objective and unbiased. Your argument should be backed by evidence, and your writing should avoid colloquialisms and personal opinions. For example, instead of saying, "I think social media is bad for teens," you might write, "Research indicates that social media usage is correlated with increased anxiety among teenagers, Smith 2020. This approach ensures your writing is credible and professional. Finally, linking literature to research questions is crucial. Your literature review should not only provide background, but also directly inform your research questions. This means clearly showing how previous studies relate to your research objectives. For instance, if previous research shows conflicting results about the impact of social media on mental health, your research question might be, what factors contribute to the differing effects of social media on teenage mental health? This linkage ensures that your research is grounded in existing knowledge while pushing the conversation forward. By mastering these concepts, you'll enhance your ability to conduct thorough literature reviews and produce high-quality academic writing. This will not only improve your research projects, but also develop your critical thinking and synthesis skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.